What is going on, my YouTube friends? I hope everybody's having a great day today. It's warm, but it's a little rainy here today, on and off, so I'm out in the garage. I'm going to look at this wiring harness. We'll kind of compare them. The fuse box that Mark, 91 Mustang LX, sent me, and the fuse box out of the Fairmont. We'll get these things compared and see if there's really any difference, because I don't think there is, but we'll soon find out, won't we? Let's get this turned around and see what's going on. Yeah, bud. Okay, so this is the fuse box out of the 1980 Ford Fairmont. And I can turn that around. And, you know, I mean, everything looks really the same. Here's the one that Mark sent. I mean, really, they look the same. He's got two wires going in here, but that's not a big deal. We can always do that. But we don't need these wires, I don't think, because this flasher is on the back of this one. We could put it on the back of this one too, because it's the same. You know, it's the same. Ain't much difference, is there? Looks the same to me. I mean, unless you guys see something I can't see. The harness in the back. I mean, there's a few wires here. It's different, but I can always put these wires into these right here, so that's not a problem. See these wires right there, there. Got one here. So yeah, everything I need for the Fairmont's there. Right? Unless you guys see something I don't see. I mean, different color wires in that maybe, but really not, because you got this wire. These wires are all the same. These colors are different here. You know, so I think we're good, man. I think it'll work. What do you guys think? Got a little difference here and there, but it looks like that pops out, but I don't need that, so I wouldn't have to worry about that. Maybe take the clip out. So really, to be honest with you, I could probably pluck all these wires out and then pluck these wires up and put them in here one at a time. That's gonna be my, that's gonna be what I'm gonna have to do. Because the mounting and everything's still the same. So everything's really pretty much the same, so I think we're good. So we'll get to this ASAP. Yeah, buddy. I'm getting anxious. I'm getting anxious. All right. So I think it'll work. I think, thank you very much, 91 Mustang LX, Mark. You're a good dude, man. Appreciate it. So let's get this turned around. Alrighty then, yeah, so I think we're gonna be able to make that work. We'll see what happens this weekend, man. If I might just go in there and get this thing and say, let's get her done, yeah, buddy. If I get the harness in there and stuff like that, I think we'll be good, you know, so, yeah. Camera looks kind of funny to me. I think I got it upside down. That's okay, I can fix that, I think. Ooh, who cares? But anyhow, so we got the, fuse box. Again, thanks, Mark. We're gonna start getting these wires switched over to it, and then we'll start getting the dash and everything installed in the Fairmont, and get that wiring harness. Because actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wiring harness on the back of the. I'm looking at the dash. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the harness on the back of the dash, get it all wired in there real good, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and stab it onto the car, and then we'll start working on other things. So we can start getting this engine ready to put in. You know, I still got to take that trans to the guy and have him go through it, but that guy, he'd probably take him about 2 hours to do that, where it would take me 3 or 4 months. But anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Yeah, buddy. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this. First fire of the year, baby.